Hello students, in this video you are going to learn how to make a negative sentence. Do you know what is a negative sentence? Yes, if a sentence comes with the word not. If a sentence comes with the word not means that is a negative sentence. For example, if I am telling you like I have a pen, I have a pen. Can you find any not in this sentence? No. It means it is a positive sentence. It's talk about a positive things only. Okay. Suppose if I am telling you that I don't have a pen. I don't have a pen. Enkita pen illa. So when I am saying this kind of by using this not word in a sentence means it refers to a negative sentence. Okay. It just opposite to the positive sentence. Okay. Positive sentence means with the word the sentence which talks about a thing only. For example, I see a bird. Okay. I see a bird. Okay. It means na vandu oru bird paathen. I don't see a bird. It means na oru bird paakala. So when we are talking opposite to the positive sentence, that is the negative sentence only. Okay. So now we are going to learn how to make a negative sentence from a positive sentence. Okay. So for making the negative sentence, it is important that you need to check whether that sentence contains, that whether comes with the helping verb or not. Okay. What is the first things you need to check? Yes, you need to check whether that sentence comes with the helping verb or not. Do you remember what is a helping verb? Yes, helping verb means which help the verb, which help the main verb. Okay, which help the main verb to talk about the time. Am I right? In the previous lessons we have learnt about the helping verbs like can family, do family, will family verb and shall family verb, be family verb. These are the helping verb only. For your understanding, I am going to write here, that is be family verb, then can family verb, and then shall family, then have family, do family, will family. Okay, so these are the helping verbs. Like be family means is, am, are, was, were. These 5 verbs are the be family verbs. Okay, and can family will be can or could. Okay, shall family verb will be shall or should. Have family has, have, had. These 3 refer to have family verb. And what about do? Do family verbs are do, does, did. And what about will? Very good. That is will and would are the will family verb. And these are the helping verb only. These are helping verb. So there are 2 rules to make a negative sentence. There are 2 rules to make a sentence turn into negative sentence. So let's learn one by one. We are going to learn the first rule, that is rule number 1. If there is a helping verb, if there is a helping verb, then you need to follow this rule. Okay, which rule? That is first you need to write the helping verb. That is helping verb will be present in the sentence. Next to the helping verb only you are going to add not. You just need to add not after the verb only. Okay. In a sentence, if you find a helping verb, next to the helping verb you need to add not. Okay. If you add not to in the sentence means it's talk about it becomes what? Yes, it becomes a negative sentence. Let's learn with the example. See, this is my pen. This is my pen. I am telling you this is my pen. This is my pen. It is a positive sentence only. It doesn't talk about any negative thing or something. Okay, just talk about this is my pen. Idu vandu em pen. That is the meaning. Okay. So can you find any helping verb here? Can you find any helping verb? Helping verb means these are the verbs only. If you find any be family verb or do family verb or can family verb, can you find anything? Yes, after the subject only it will be present. That we know already, right? Helping verbs always present after the subject only. So is, you need to check whether is a helping verb. Yes, is referred to be family verb. So is means it is a helping verb only. So now we are going to change this sentence into a negative sentence. Okay, this positive sentence we are going to change it into negative sentence. How? By simply we need to add not only. because already helping verb is there. So next to the helping verb, in between here we are going to add not only. See, now this sentence will become a negative sentence by like this. See, this is, I have written this is, after writing is, I have written not, N-O-T, not, and then only I have written my pen. Okay, this is not my pen, idu en pen illa. So now this sentence has been turned into a negative sentence. So what was the change I made? Very good. After the helping verb, that is, after the is, I have added not to the sentence. Okay, after the is, I have added not in the sentence. Now it became the negative sentence only. This is not my pen. Suppose if there is a verb like are, these are my pen. How will you make it into the negative? These are not my pen after the helping verb. Suppose if there is a word like can, if there is a verb like can, I can do this. Okay, I can do this. The here the helping verb is can only. After the can only, I can use the word not to make it into the negative sentence. That is, I cannot do this. I cannot do this is the negative sentence. Are you clear with the first rule? Okay, let's go for the rule number 2. That is, if helping verb is not there, then what we need to do? If there is no helping verb, see here the example, I like vegetables. I like vegetables. Here I can't see any helping verb like can family or can or do or have, is, am or nothing is there, right? There is a sentence like I like vegetable. There is only a main verb only. If there is only a main verb, there is no helping verb means what we need to do? Can I simply add like I like not vegetable? No, that is the wrong way of saying. What I need to do? Look at the rule, look at this box. If there is no helping verb, in place of helping verb, you are going to use do family verb. Are you clear? If there is no helping verb, in place of helping verb, okay, that is after the subject, you are going to use do family verb. If we are talking about the present, we need to use do or does according to the subject. If the sentence talk about the past tense, means we need to use did. After writing did, you need to write not, did not or do not, does not. In short also you can write like don't, doesn't, didn't. Okay, you can write like this also. So let's learn with the example. See, I like vegetables. I like vegetable. In this sentence there is no helping verb. So in place of helping verb we are going to use this do family verb. So this sentence talk about the present time event only. So I am going to use do only because for the subject I in present I need to use do only. So see, I do, then what I need to add? Very good, that is not. I do not like vegetables. I do not like vegetables. It is the negative sentence. In short form also we can use like do not. What is the short form of do not? Very good, that is don't. I don't like vegetables. I don't like vegetables is the negative form. Okay, it is the negative sentence only. I can give you one more example like I can say like birds. Yes, birds flies. Okay, birds fly. Birds fly. Here there is no helping verb, so I can write birds don't fly. Okay, birds don't fly. So if there is no helping verb, okay, if there is no helping verb, you need to use do family verb only. Suppose if there is a helping verb means that will be very easy. You need to add simply not only. Suppose if there is no helping verb, then you need to use do family verb only according to the subject. According to the subject and also the time. So I hope you are clear with this topic, children. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.